There are several reliable methods to factory reset your iPhone without using iTunes. Before you start, make sure you have backed up your data to iCloud or to a computer, so you don't lose important files. The first way is directly through your iPhone settings. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase all content and settings. If you haven't recently backed up, the system may prompt you to do so. Enter your device passcode to confirm, and if Find My iPhone is enabled, you'll also need your Apple ID password to disable activation lock. If your device uses an eSIM, you'll be asked whether to keep or remove it. If you choose to remove it, you may need to contact your carrier to reactivate your number. If you don't have your iPhone in hand, or the screen is damaged but Find My iPhone is still active, you can reset it remotely via iCloud. Log in at iCloud.com with your Apple ID, click on Find iPhone, choose all devices, select your iPhone, then click Erase iPhone and follow the on-screen instructions. And if you've forgotten your screen passcode or Apple ID and can't reset through the usual methods, MagFone iPhone Unlocker is a safe and effective solution. Simply connect your device to the computer, and then choose Unlock iOS Screen or Unlock Apple ID. The software will guide you into recovery mode automatically. Then download the required firmware. Click Unlock, and your iPhone will be reset without needing iTunes.